Next, Tour Vibes, Lingaraj and team.
Lingaraj Banaguli of Tour Vibes, can you please brief the audience about your firm, the success story from UKEM 2018?
So 2 minutes for Tour Vibes, but another 5 minutes for my story, how it started. So because it is related to UKM and UKSL. Okay. So Tour Vibes is a brainchild of Gladex Services Private Limited, and we are just 4 months old baby. We started in June or so, and this is the 4th event, corporate event, which we are handling it. Since it's a good opportunity, thank you for all the UKSL trustees trusting us and giving us this opportunity to host this UKM season 4. Tour Vibes is basically we are into ticketing, holidays, and tours and the trekking. And this is basically for only to B2B. We are not getting into a B2C, but B2C, the portal is open for the ticketing, but the events, everything, we are connecting only with the B2B. Okay. And we would like to be one of the Uttar Karnataka travel portal where you recognize Clear Trip, Make My Trip, Yatra, and I want in next 1 or 2 years, Tour Vibes should be one of among them. Okay. Okay. So this is about the company. So my 2 minutes is done, and just 2-3 minutes I'll talk about. So how it started? Actually, it started from season 2. So through this, that connecting and all those things, and we know each other from almost 8-10 years, whoever is there in the Tour Vibes. So we were thinking about what to do, how to do, and what all, like how we have to start up. And this idea came to me, and I have just started thinking about the group. So whom all we have to add up in the group. So it took almost a year just to get a group integrated. And after 1 year of discussion, then the first meeting happened of this Tour Vibes. And it took almost 6 months to register, do everything. So almost 1.5 years just to start up the thing. Then coming to the 2-3 things we learned during this journey, whatever I was doing it. And I have almost 15 years of experience in this tourism and event management, because I'm coming from the administration background. And my last event was in December 2018, and along with one person, I handled almost 150 people pan-India, and we did this event in Radisson Blu, and I was the only one who is taking care of the entire 150 arrivals, 150 departures, and this event was for a 3+1 day. So 1 day was a extra, so it was for the 4 days. So that day I thought, when I'm able to do this, then definitely I can do it for myself. Okay. So that day I decided and came back to this group, and I said, I'm going to take a drastic step, maybe very soon. Okay. So that's what this is how it started. And I thought, like, when I was doing all these 3-4 seasons of UKM, there are 2-3 lessons I have learned from this. Okay. The first thing what we have to do is we have to get out of the comfort zone. That is very, very, very important. Unless and until you come out of your comfort zone, you can't do anything. I'm telling you, I'll bet you can't do anything. That's what I have done it in when it was April, May, then I thought it is right time, I have to leave my comfort zone and come out. And the second thing is continuous learning. Very, very, very important. They are very good learners, okay, but it should be a continuous learning. And the third thing, what I have seen among our Uttar Karnataka people was the communication. We have to little bit, because when you go to the market, you will know what it is exactly. So communication is also very important. And the fourth one is the connecting with your partners, connecting with your clients is very, very important. And the last but not the least is your counter plan. When you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to plan very, very well, because when I was talking behind the screen, it took 1.5 years just to register the company. Forget about doing all those things. So counter plan is very, very important. Thank you. Thank you so much for your patience.
That's the success story